Hi, I'm Ashwin. My GRS score is 321, my quant score is 164, and my verbal score is 157. I'm pursuing third year BTech CSC at Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. I got to know about Career Labs by my college. I happened to attend a online webinar about how they train and how they quickly perform techniques to answer the questions. So I attended that webinar and they explained very clearly about how they process the whole training and admission process. So I kind of liked the training and I thought it was very easy to train with Career Labs. One day Mukesh called me about this total price plan and everything, and we had a very long and brief call and brief conversation about. I asked him whatever the doubts I had, and he cleared me everything with this, and everything was very perfect. And we have the option for installment plan by paying the fees monthly. So I kind of liked that way. So I chose this plan and get on with the preparation. The contents in the tab was very good. Most of the doubts are almost clear. I no need to have ask any doubts. In one topic we have some doubts, but in other topic it will be clear. I like the way they teach each topic with the 3-4 methods. So I chose one method for particularly quadratic equation, which is curve sketching. It's a form of a method from where we convert quadratic equation into a parabola, or graphing the problems actually. So why I chose that method is that made me do the problems in very less time. So I chose that method, and that was quite helpful for my score. So this kind of techniques, I like. The tablet contents was very helpful. The webinar session was very helpful. Apart from tab, they will solve the questions lively with you, and they get a chance to, we can solve the questions right away, and we can ask the doubts very clearly to Tanuja ma'am. Tanuja ma'am was very helpful and in all the passage questions and everything, and she cleared all, even the small doubts I had, and everything was very perfect. And in quant section, Junaid sir was very caring and very good at what he does. So whatever doubts we had, Junaid sir was perfect, and we had a great problem solving environment while in the class. From the start date of my preparation, every month I used to get a call from the test support team. They used to track all my every process, what I had done, what I have not done. They used to make a quick analysis about my preparation. So that was kind of very helpful for me. So I should track myself, where am I. So they helped me a lot. Sometimes I may have the doubts of what they may not receive. Sometimes I keep on asking what already had, but they responded very friendly, and thanks for that. Just start practicing for 1 hour, at least for 1.5 hours every day. And if you learn each topic, just try to practice more questions. That will tune up your preparation. The more questions you practice, the more excellence you'll get, and that helped me a lot also. And I've been attending most of the mock tests and everything that are provided for me. And you can use the flashcards also for learning new words and meaning of that. Yes, you'll do great.